I wanted to show you another way to make something around your house that's pretty boring look better. I have these stickers that actually are for walls or for anything you want them to be for. This one says it's wall creations. And we're going to take this sticker, I've chosen this one, and we have a can here, or bucket, that's been spray painted red. We thought this would look cute right there. And you just press it on. This has a ridge right there, so I'm going to try and push it down into the ridge. Take the air bubbles out. Push it down. And I think I'll add a little butterfly. Right there. All right, there you go. In our next segment, I'll show you how to make something else more interesting that's just boring.